Hi, this is Oren Zucker, and on behalf of Dan Eberts, we want to welcome you to another TypeMonkey tutorial. This one will show you how quickly and easily TypeMonkey can automatically sync to voiceovers with little help from Premiere Pro. Premiere Pro and Soundbooth, actually, both have great features called content analysis that creates metadata that After Effects can read. In this case, we're going to focus on the text analysis feature, which will create a marker layer that TypeMonkey will be able to sync to. For text analysis to get an accurate read, it needs to start with a script to reference. The script can either be an Adobe Story script or a text file in UTF-8 format. I don't have Adobe Story, so I use TextEdit and saved it as a plain text document, and that should work fine. Next, I'm going to open up Premiere, change the workspace to meta-logging, and drag the audio file in. In this case, it's a little snippet from Edgar Allan Poe's The Raven. Now, keep in mind, Premiere needs pretty decent audio quality to start with, so the better the audio, the better the result will be. Once you drag the audio file in, hold down the Control key and select the clip in the project window. A menu pops up and select Analyze Content. About halfway down the box, you'll see the reference script area. Click on that and select Add. Find your text and click Open. The Import Script box will open with the script in the text box. Click Script Text Matches Recorded Dialog and hit OK. That box will close, and now click OK again. This will open up Media Encoder, and it will analyze the audio file. It's pretty quick, just about real time. Once that's done, check to make sure that the text looks okay in the speech analysis box. It's not always totally perfect, but it's pretty good. You might find some changed, duplicate, or missing words, in which case you should either select and change them, or Control-click and select either Delete or Insert. Once that's set, just toss the file into a sequence and export the file. It doesn't really matter what your settings are, you're just using this as a marker layer, though you might want to make sure that the frame rate is the same as your After Effects project settings. When the render is done, drag it into After Effects and create a comp. You'll notice the layer has markers already applied. This is totally amazing. Each marker represents a word synced with the audio. But, unfortunately, it's not foolproof. Sometimes, when you zoom in, you might notice that some words have double markers. Sometimes all the words have double markers. And sometimes none of the words have double markers, in which case you're good to go. But if you do find yourself having this problem, we have a way around it. Dan has written a script that will remove duplicate markers. Just select the layer, go to the script menu and launch it. Now, check it out. One word per marker. No duplicates. We've included the free Remove Duplicate Markers script in the latest version of TypeMonkey, which you can download at aescripts.com. Now we're ready for TypeMonkey. I'm not going to go over this in much detail since I went through this in the first tutorial. Select a font, Comic Sans for this. Joking. We'll go with Master Plan. Paste a script in the text box. I'll add a couple simple key commands to control the layout. Change a preset or two and check the marker sync box. Make sure that the layer we created in Premiere is selected and click Do It. I can actually speed up the building process by clicking out of After Effects. It's like a built-in Facebook break. Okay, let's check it out.
Deep into that darkness peering, long I stood there, wondering, fearing, doubting. Dreaming dreams no more.
And there you go. Auto syncing to VO using Premiere. To finish up, I'll add a few more quick layout tweaks using Charles Bordenave's randomizer script. I want to do a couple of fly-throughs in Z space, so I'll unshy the layers, select the ones that I want to move and input my minimum, in this case -1500, and my maximum, which is also -1500. Click Execute. And there's the fly-through. Now I'm going to parent a spotlight to the camera and turn on depth of field and render this thing out.
Deep into that darkness peering, long I stood there, wondering, fearing, doubting, dreaming dreams no mortal ever dared to dream before. But the silence was unbroken, and the darkness gave no token, and the only word there spoken was the whispered word, Lenore. This I whispered, and an echo murmured back the word, Lenore. Merely this, and nothing more.
So that's it. Quick auto-syncing using Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.